With Warwick Business School and WMG coming together to design and to bring this course to students, we are looking at a proposition that is not offered anywhere else. We have a world-class teaching team. That is what makes the course very, very special. In addition, we have put a lot of thought into the design of our teaching and learning approaches when it comes to our modules. On this course, we have got 6 core modules and a choice of 4 electives, of which students need to select 2. We have a very unique project which gets students to think about and evaluate their own business idea. You get to visit startup companies, meet with entrepreneurs and corporate innovators. The startup infrastructure in the UK is second to none in the world, and the UK offers great opportunities. So the partnership between WMG and WBS aims to deliver excellence in teaching through, about, and for entrepreneurship. These are the 3 modes we use to teach entrepreneurship and help students develop the whole range of competencies necessary to innovate and launch new businesses. We have got expertise in industrial linkages, startup consulting, growing SMEs, applied research. All of these qualities coming together into one program give students that unique edge and advantage that only we are able to offer in terms of an educational experience. The facilities are excellent, our research laboratories are world-class, and alongside we have got qualified experts, all of which help students get the support that they need. And beyond the program teams at WMG and WBS, Warwick Enterprise and the Innovation District, which are a part of the Warwick campus, offer specialized startup acceleration programs. So if you have an idea, then we can find a way to help you realize that idea. We thrive on our student success. We want to see each and every student on the course doing exceedingly well upon graduation, and that is my number 1 priority. Dozens of our students have successfully launched new businesses or have joined their family business to grow these with innovation. The more you put in, the more you get out, and we want all students to do exceedingly well on the course and realize their ambitions.